Detect issues before they become disasters. Solar Sentinel, the ultimate drainage block detector powered by the sun. You can safeguard your home with 24/7 monitoring and proactive alerts. Keep your drains clear day and night. Problem statement. The tragic drainage burst on July 27 claimed the lives of 3 IAS aspirants, made us think the need of drainage block detector. In response, we introduced the Solar Sentinel, a drainage block detector. Drainage blockages are common problems in flats, homes, and industries. With this device, you can ensure peace of mind by detecting issues before they escalate. The solution. We introduce our product, Solar Sentinel, as a solution for our problem. The IoT device is programmed to monitor the sewage system for high levels using liquid sensor. When a liquid sensor is detected, the device gets connected to Wi-Fi using microcontroller board and authenticated with a Telegram bot automatically generates an alert message.
Here we can see the 3 zones of the drainage system, Zone 1, Zone 2 and Zone 3. Now when we place the liquid sensor in Zone 1, when the water level increases, the sensor detected and the device gets connected to the Wi-Fi using the microcontroller board, and now we get an alert message in our smartphone. Now when the water level increases in Zone 2 and Zone 3, we can observe that in the mobile, alerts are shown according to the block detected zone. As the next level of the project, we can use a sensor to work a slurry pumping motor to remove the blocks. The USB customization without limits. Infinite sensors can be used. Message can be customized. This drainage detector can be used in water tanks, the cow dung pit as flood alerts in the underpass. Alerts can be customized, eco-friendly and cost-effective with no need for external power sources. No current supply. Install and forget. A call to action. Invest in Solar Sentinel today and keep your drains clear and efficient with ease. Ensure your home's safety with real-time alerts and reliable protection. Take action today and invest in peace for mind tomorrow. For purchase and product details, log on to our website and search www.thekitcompany.in UID number 2F25067.